Experience refined Colorado living at 35060 Hillhouse Lane in Windsor, where luxury, comfort, and craftsmanship come together against the stunning backdrop of the Front Range. Set on nearly 3 acres, this 2023 custom-built home offers over 4,800 finished square feet with 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, and a beautifully finished basement and bonus room. Every detail is designed for effortless living, from the open layout to the high-end finishes throughout. The gourmet kitchen features Thermador appliances, quality cabinets, custom wine storage, and a large island perfect for entertaining. The primary suite opens to the patio and includes a spa-inspired bath with heated floors, a custom walk-in closet, and its own laundry. You'll find an office with mountain views, 2 additional bedrooms joined by a Jack and Jill bath, and a flexible bonus space above the garage, perfect for a gym, media room, or guest suite. Downstairs, the finished basement includes a wet bar, a 160 square foot vault, and room to grow. Outside, the covered patio invites year-round enjoyment with a built-in kitchen, pizza oven, fireplace, and space for a fire pit, all surrounded by irrigated trees and panoramic views of the mountains. The property also includes a 40 by 80 foot outbuilding, combining a 2,000 square foot apartment and office space with a 2,200 square foot heated shop. The ADU offers full living quarters, while the shop includes in-floor heat, 14-foot doors, and exceptional finish quality. With smart home features, top-tier systems, and breathtaking views, 35060 Hillhouse Lane isn't just a home. It's a Colorado retreat built for modern living. For more information, contact Sally or Dan Brunk or visit HaydenOutdoors.com.